In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing data, creating a schedule, or just looking to add some structure to your document, learning how to use tables effectively can be incredibly useful and can take your document to the next level. So let's dive in and explore how to get started with tables in Google Docs. First things first, you'll need to head over to docs.google.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in using your Google or Gmail account credentials. If you're already logged in, you should see a list of your existing documents right away. Now you can either choose an existing file to work on or, if you prefer, start a new document from scratch. Once you're inside your document, look towards the menu bar at the top and click on Insert. As you hover over this option, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to navigate to Table. At this point, a grid will pop up. You'll see small squares representing columns and rows. Choose how many columns and rows you need by dragging your cursor across the grid and then click to insert the table into your document. After inserting your table, you might find that you need to adjust the number of rows. No worries. You can easily add additional rows by right-clicking inside any cell where you want a new row and choosing either Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below from the options. This gives you the flexibility to expand your table as needed. For those times when you want to combine two or more cells into one, you can do that too. Simply click and drag your mouse to select the cells you want to merge. Then, right-click and select Merge Cells. This feature can be especially handy for headings or when you need to create a more streamlined table design. Now that you have your structure in place, it's time to add content. Feel free to type in text, numbers, or any other information you need to organize. If you want to add a splash of color to your table, highlight the cell you'd like to change. Then, make your way to the upper right corner of the screen and find the paint icon. Clicking that will open a color palette allowing you to select the background color you want to apply to your selected cell. And just like that, you're all done. The possibilities are endless, so don't hesitate to play around and be creative with your tables. They can be a fantastic tool for streamlining information and making your documents visually appealing. Enjoy experimenting and make sure to use these tips whenever you're looking to enhance your Google Docs projects.